In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can claim a free business email address for your domain on Hostinger. To get one, you must have your domain registered on Hostinger, under which you have already created a working website. So let's get started with our tutorial. So I've just logged into my Hostinger account, and to claim a free business email, I will have to go towards the email section. So here I will click on claim your free email, and then it will ask me to choose that domain. So if I click on select domain, it will start showing all the domains available here. So you can see tutorials.click is the one at which I haven't created any website yet. So if I select this one, it will ask me to create a website first. So it will show add website. To claim your free email, create a website that uses this domain. So I will have to choose another domain, and make sure you have a working website under that domain. So let's click on select domain again, and I will choose this portfolio.buildnearn.com website. So oops, this one, and then I will click on confirm. After that, I will have to select a plan. So as we are going to use it for free, so we will choose free business email, which costs us 0 rupees per month. But if you want to upgrade your plan, you will choose anyone, like you will choose for 99 per month or 299 per month. So I'm going to select the 0 rupees plan. So I will click on get started, and then I will click on choose payment method. Now we'll have to set up our mailbox by entering our email and password, and its extension will be at the rate of portfolio.buildnearn.com or whatever domain you will choose. So you can add support or contact, whatever you want to add, and then create a password for it. If you want, you can change it to any other, like I am going to change this support to contact, or whatever you want to type here. So I am going to replace it with support, and then I will click on create, and then we will have to wait for a few moments, and our mailbox have been successfully created. And then I will have to create on complete, and our mailbox have been created. In order to open it, just scroll down and click on this webmail icon, hosting a webmail icon, and it will open hosting a webmail, where we will have to log in through our credentials which we have just created. And here I will have to type that password and email which I have just created, and click on login, and it will log me into this hosting a email. And you can see this you can see our email have been logged in, and we can use the same credentials to log into our Outlook or Gmail or whatever service you want to use. So in this way you can claim a free business domain using Hostinger account. So hope this video helps you to learn something new, and if so, make sure to like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you very much.